Hi, and welcome to AI Real Highlights for Conveyancing Newcastle, bringing you reliable and efficient residential property services right here in Merewether. I'm your host, Connie, and I'm thrilled to dive into some fantastic insights with you today, shall we? Our focus at Conveyancing Newcastle is all about making your property journey, whether buying or selling in Merewether, incredibly smooth and stress-free. We pride ourselves on offering truly comprehensive services. Our dedicated team of experienced professionals will guide you through every single step, from meticulously handling all the necessary searches and preparing contracts to ensuring a smooth settlement. We understand that transparency and clear communication are absolutely paramount, so you'll always receive timely updates and personalised support. Essentially, we take care of all the legal complexities, allowing you to focus on the excitement of your new home with complete confidence. It's about delivering swift, seamless transactions backed by expert professionals and reliable, customer-focused support. So you might be asking, how exactly can we help you? And why choose Conveyancing Newcastle? Well, we know that navigating the residential property market can feel a bit overwhelming, and that's precisely where we step in. Our goal is to make the entire process as smooth and stress-free as possible. For buyers or sellers in Merewether, our services are designed to be reliable, transparent, and incredibly efficient, ensuring every step is handled with the utmost care. We truly believe in keeping you in the loop, providing clear communication and timely updates, so you never feel lost in the legal jargon. When you partner with us, you're choosing a team that values efficiency, expertise, and, crucially, clear communication. We offer swift turnaround times and meticulous attention to detail, ensuring your transaction progresses without any unnecessary delays. Our experienced professionals are dedicated to keeping you informed at every stage, offering personalised support that builds real trust. In essence, we safeguard your investment and provide peace of mind, allowing you to step into your new life with ease. Next up, let's tackle some of your frequently asked questions. Now, let's address some of the questions we hear most often. What exactly is residential property conveyancing? Simply put, it's the legal process of transferring property ownership, covering everything from contracts to searches, ensuring all legal requirements are met. And why do you need a conveyancer? To expertly navigate those complex legalities, protect your interests, and handle all the necessary documentation. How long does it take? Well, it varies, typically a few weeks to a couple of months, but we always work efficiently to speed things up. What about costs? We're big on transparency, so you'll know all potential costs up front, including fees and government searches. Finally, how are you kept informed? We believe in crystal clear communication, providing regular updates at every stage. We understand the Merewether area intimately, with its stunning beaches and iconic ocean baths. This vibrant suburb deserves conveyancing that's just as vibrant and clear. So, if you need expert property advice, don't hesitate. Experience stress-free property transactions. Let's get started on your journey to your new home today. Book a call with our conveyancing expert. We're here to help.